What is going on, you guys? Welcome to Wise Guy Unbox, and today we are going to take a look at TEC TAVAKKAL all-in-one USB hub. It is basically all-in-one card reader. You can buy these on Amazon for 444 Indian rupees. And now I'll put the link in the description. Let's unbox this motherfucker. What do we have here? Loyal cashback for your next purchase, I would imagine. I'll use that later. This would be a product. Now you have 3 USB, I guess 2.0, SD card reader, MS card reader, micro SD and M2 card reader. I'm gonna need that. Looks pretty cheap. I hope it does a better job. Let's get this wire off first, and let's check out the length of the wire, or USB cable if you will. So this is the length. This is like a foot long USB cable. Now I'll show you all the different cards in here, and I'll show you the speeds on my computer and check out the performance of this card reader in a while.